Every creator talks about pleasing the YouTube algorithm, like it's some mysterious angry monster that demands sacrifices. If you don't post at 3 p.m. on a Tuesday, your channel dies. Right? Wrong. Today, we're busting the myths. The truth is, there isn't actually one single algorithm running YouTube. And more importantly, it doesn't actually care about your videos. It cares about the audience. See, back in the day, YouTube's system did focus on the videos. It ranked them by views and later by watch time. But people gamed the system with clickbait. Now, YouTube uses an advanced AI recommendation system based on deep learning. Its job isn't to find an audience for your video. Its job is to find the perfect video for each individual user the second they open the app. Instead of thinking, how do I make the algorithm like my video? You need to ask, which specific human being is my video for? To pull this off, YouTube uses two distinct neural networks working back to back. Step 1. The filter, candidate generation. First up is candidate generation. YouTube has billions of videos. When a user logs in, this first system aggressively cuts those billions down to a few hundred candidates. It does this by looking at the user's history. What have they watched before? What topics do they love? What channels do they keep coming back to? Step 2. The finalist. Ranking. Next, those few hundred videos are handed over to the ranking system. This is where your video's data actually gets tested. YouTube scores the candidates based on a few massive signals. Click-through rate, CTR. When people saw your thumbnail, did they actually click it? Average view duration, AVD. Once they clicked, did they stick around? Or did they bounce in 5 seconds? User satisfaction. Did they leave a like? Did they fill out one of those random mini surveys asking if the video was worth their time? But wait, how a video scores depends entirely on where it's being shown. YouTube evaluates your video differently depending on the traffic source. The home page. This is all about personalization. YouTube is predicting what you want to watch right now, even if it's from a channel you've never heard of. It relies heavily on CTR and early viewer satisfaction. Suggested videos. This is about association. It appears next to or after the video you're currently watching. The algorithm looks for videos that are frequently watched together in the same viewing session. YouTube search. This is about utility. Unlike home or suggested, search relies on keywords, titles, descriptions, and whether your video actually answered the user's question. So, let's wrap it up. How do you actually beat the algorithm? You stop trying to trick a computer, and you start focusing on human psychology. Create a thumbnail that creates curiosity. Write a title that delivers a promise. And make content that keeps people watching. Because at the end of the day, the YouTube algorithm is just a mirror reflecting human desire. If the audience loves it, the system will love it. Hit subscribe and go make something awesome.